In this video, I'll show you one of the best alternative to Olymp trade. And this new platform that I'm going to show you that has lots of advantage, including if you are from United States, then lots of binary options trading platform is not going to provide you, including Olymp trade will also not provide you the service. But the platform that I'm going to show you will provide you if you are from United States too, because it is also registered in United States too. So by saying that, it is one of the trusted platform that you can trade binary options on, and deposit and withdraw is also fast in this new platform. Okay, so the platform that I'm talking about that is alternative to this Olymp trade is called Pocket Option. Now I'll explain you exactly why this platform is better. Okay, there are few things that you need to know in order to understand why this platform is better than other. So first thing is, you get a 50% deposit bonus. I have given a link in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on it and register your account on Pocket Option, then you will get a 50% first time deposit bonus inside this trading platform, no matter what amount you deposit. Okay, so that is the first thing. And another thing is not only that much. Okay, if you use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video, then furthermore, whenever you deposit in upcoming days, at that time also you will keep on receiving some kind of bonuses inside this platform. So do use the link to register your account on Pocket Option to see whatever things are inside here. Okay, so now second thing is the signals. So now whenever you are trading, you can literally copy these signals. Okay, you can simply click on this signal and you will be able to start your trade. Okay, just decide the amount you want to invest and just click on copy signal, and then you will start to trade. You don't need to just click on higher and lower by using your mind if you want to use this signal. Okay, now one very important thing, if you are using this signal, then firstly test these signals in the demo account properly. Okay, and then if you think this is going to work for you, then only use it in your real account. Now another interesting thing is this social trading. I'll explain about social trading, but before that I want to tell you one thing. Just keep on watching. Okay, at last I have one surprise thing that is inside this Pocket Option, which I'll tell you, so don't skip this video. Okay, so social trading is simply copy trading. Okay, so you can literally copy the trades from the user who are already making profit, this amount of profit in their real trading account, like 54%, 55%. Okay, it keeps on changing, like 62%. So you can copy the trades from these traders, whoever you trust. And I have made a proper tutorial on how you can do this copy trading in the right way to make maximum amount of profit. And I have put lots of other videos like creating and verifying your Pocket Option account, doing social trading inside Pocket Option. I have created all those videos and made a playlist. Okay, and I have kept that playlist in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that too if you want to learn about all of this in the right way. Now another thing is called this tournament. Okay, so you can literally trade on this tournament for free. Okay, every day this tournament happens every day. You can simply click on join. Okay, and then you'll see $0 participant fee. You just click on confirm participation and you will be able to join this tournament and start to trade on this tournament to win this amount of prize fund, that is real money. Now another thing is this express trading, which is a little bit complicated because you will not be able to immediately get this thing. So we are not going to talk about this express trading. You need to reach to a certain level in order to get this express trading, in order to do trading in an express way. Now if you just click on this chats, okay, then you can chat with their support, okay, Pocket Option support, and ask your questions. Okay, and you can also be engaged in this general chats from here. Okay, and if you click on this help, then you can see guides and tutorials. You can watch about the platform, anything if you get confused. Okay, you can see about apps. Okay, about this Pocket Option to download the apps. Now let's talk about the interesting thing that I have promised you in the starting of this video. So this it's called, this interesting thing is called 5-second trading. So as you can see here, it will be flag at here. Okay, if you click on this flag, then you will see this clock, and if you click on here and select this S5, then you can trade binary options in 5-second time frame. Okay, so that means, let's say if you want to invest $10, and if you click on this, and within 5 seconds this trade will be closed. Okay, so as you can see here, I have made a loss at here. Okay, so now again I can invest another amount and see what happens. So I made another investment of $30, and in 5 seconds this trade is going to be closed. Okay, so I made a profit of $21, covering my previous $10 loss and some profit. So I have created a whole tutorial on 5-second trading, lots of strategical tutorial, okay, and I have kept all of those in the pocket option tutorial playlist, and I have kept that in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch it. So by saying this much, all of these things make pocket option far better options than Olymp trade or any other binary options trading platform. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and don't forget to comment below if you think this pocket option is best than Olymp trade. Take care, have a great day, bye.